Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install HxD software. Okay, so it is a free hex editor software for Windows. So let's get started. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to enter HxD download and press enter. You'll get this first link, HxD freeware, hex editor and disk editor. Click on this link. Okay, now scroll down, you'll get the option for the download page. So it is supported for Windows XP 2003, Vista 7, 8 or 10. Okay, if you are using the previous older versions like Windows 95 and the old, you can click on this page, but we are going to click on this download page, the first one. Now over here you can just scroll and look for the English over here. Okay, and click on download per HTTPS. So recent release date is of February 11, 2021, and this is the file size. I'll click on this. It will download the zip file. Once the setup zip file has got downloaded, I'll click on open. This is the setup. You need to double click. You'll get a pop-up, select yes. Now you can select the language and click on OK. Click on next. I accept the agreement. Click on next. This is the path where the software will get installed. If you want, you can change this. We'll go with the default setting. Click on next. Click on next. If you want, you can choose this to create a desktop shortcut. I have selected it. You click on next. Click on install. So this will get installed within seconds. Just uncheck this view readme.txt. I'll uncheck this launch HxD editor. Click on finish. So the software has got installed. Let's go to the desktop. This is the desktop icon, HxD editor. Okay, if you double click it, it is going to launch, and that's how the interface of the software looks. Okay, it allows you to modify the hexadecimal data of binary files. These are the options you get. You can open the new file, existing file, import, export. Okay, in edit, cut, copy, paste, search, find and replace, view, text encoding. You also get the data inspector, checksums, search results. Okay, toolbars. In analysis, you can check for the checksums, statistics, data compressions. Tool, you can check the memory, open disk. You can also open the disk image. And this is the Windows settings, help, about options, about the software version, the details. So that's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.